The 5,000-ton press descends, shaping the T-90 turret shell with surgical precision.
This high-efficiency workflow allows the seamless integration of the composite armor, sealing the layered defense architecture behind heavy steel. As the robotic probe retracts, it meticulously applies a shimmering coat of chrome to the inner walls, ensuring the durability of the smoothbore barrel. The autoloader carousel spins rapidly as the hydraulic rammer pulses forward and back, simulating a reload cycle.
This electrical harness forms the central nervous system. Using these 3D diagrams, technicians
Using pneumatic wrenches, workers secure the wedge-shaped contact 5 tiles according to a strict ballistic map. As the smoke generators fill the chamber, the internal overpressure system activates. The gauge climbs rapidly, confirming the integrity of the NBC seals. This allows the tank to run its electronics and air conditioning without starting the main engine. The V12 exhaust manifold is fitted with insulation blankets to reduce infrared signature. The stealthy louve system, as the fans begin to spin, a technician sprays a test mist to ensure optimal airflow through the high-efficiency aluminum radiators. Technicians install the multi-layered optical glass, featuring a laser protective coating. Precision gaskets ensure the snorkel tube deploying smoothly.
Confirmed. Ensure the collar locks securely.
Locking collar engaged. Proceeding to seal the intake valves.
A final, invisible to the eye coating is applied to the engine deck and exhaust area. This coating helps suppress the heat.
Elevation limit check, plus 15.
Switches engaged. Depressing to -5.
Still showing 0.01 ohms on this side. Same here. The ground is solid.
November Kilo 4, this is Alpha Charlie conducting R168 suite test, requesting signal report. Alpha Charlie, this is November Kilo 4. Signal strength 5x5. $46.5 tons confirmed.
Center of gravity is perfectly centered. Analysis complete.
Scene 61, the 30-degree side slope stability test. The suspension articulates to maintain traction on the loose soil.
Fuel connected, moving to ammo. Shells in. Engine oil checks good. All right, open her up. Let's see what the oil sample says.
Looks a little dark, might have combustion residue.
The tank is ready for service.
We accept delivery. All right, hold it right there. Cut the engine. I'm securing the chains now. Watch the clearance on the right. Keep it moving straight ahead.
Target acquired. Tracking stabilized. Firing now. Impacts confirmed. Moving to next objective. Contact right flank. Gunner, traverse right, 80 degrees.
80 degrees, traversing. All right, bring it down slow. Watch the clearance on the right side.
Right side clear. Setting it down now.
Okay, lock it in. Crane moving to the next position.
Despite the scorching 50-degree heat outside,
The crew remains comfortable at a steady 22 degrees Celsius.
Kilo 1, moving through the intersection now. Watch those upper floors. We have movement in the gray building. Maintaining position. Confirming coordinates at grid reference 381725. Jamming operational. System compensating.
As the missile closes in, the tank's active defense system reacts instantly, firing a countermeasure that intercepts the projectile moments before impact. Target coordinates received. Firing solution uploaded. Stand by. Firing now.
Is the link set? One more strike. Pull the jack. Let's go.
A column of Russia's T-90 tanks rumble through Moscow's Red Square, showcasing the power of the armored forces.
The T-90 takes the jump, incredible maneuverability as it skids to a halt and fires. Direct hit on target 3.
Overall, the EX was solid, but comms dropped out around 1400 hours. We need to look into that antenna connection.
Copy that. Make a note of the frequency instability.
Here at the factory, the proven T-90 hulls are stripped down, receiving the advanced ProRiv upgrade with new turrets and powerful engines.
Is the fire control system secure?
Connection locked. Hydraulic checks look good.
The new V92S2F engine boasts an impressive 1,130 horsepower, significantly upgraded.
The relict ERA tiles are larger, covering more of the hull and turret without gaps.
This significantly enhances.
With the completion of this first T-90M ProRiv, we have proven once again the unmatched capability.
Tracks check complete. Systems online.
Copy that. All checks green. Mission ready.